Want to see all your backups in one place and manage them easily? Let's explore the Backup History section in CloudRaptor. The Backup History section gives you a complete record of all backups created for your application. It includes both manual and automated backups, all organized in one place. Scroll down to the Backup History section. Here you'll see a full list of your backups with detailed information. Each backup entry shows key details you should know. You can see exactly when the backup was created, how large it is, whether it's completed, failed, or still in progress, and whether it was manual or scheduled. For each backup, you have several actions available. You can download the backup to your computer, restore your application to that version, or delete backups you no longer need. If a backup is still running, you can click Refresh to update its status in real time. This section keeps all your backups organized and easy to manage. You always know which backups are ready, which ones failed, and which ones you can use. With Backup History, you stay in full control of your data, from monitoring to restoring. Simple, organized, and powerful.